Hoy lo tereng jabarang ka choy jim welcome to kumyo rin na ito dar ka jarengan yun stage kala chon kapo. stage. Lalacuan kabubukan las dengan Dahar Kejareng.
Kollegian Magta Gerangan Najaya. Boleh. Kollegian Magta Gerangan Najaya.
Oke, kalau cuma kamu mengelangan tanda kesana kau bakar kesana banyak kasih bro. Macam mereka kerjaan kami orang yang naik dan logon magyar, yang mereka turun stage. Ya boy, coba jumpa stage dia. Coba jumpa welcome itu logon magyar dengan new stage. Kamu
from Ghana. And I want to say this stuff that everyone was doing over there. Cuban tried to show me how to do it. He sat me down in this place. And he said to me, nobody wanna see you rising. And when they do, they don't even like it. They just wanna see you deep in crisis. Drive us off, you don't need the license. All the hush, you can even ride it. Go ahead, move your feet just like this. Then he showed me the latest. We walk over the haters. Now what you do, my Azonto, Azonto, Azonto. Now watch me do my Azonto, Azonto, Azonto. Now watch me do my Azonto, Azonto, Azonto. Now watch me do my Azonto, Azonto. We walk over the haters. Now what you do, my Azonto, 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 Azonto. You walk over the haters. Now what you do, my you all wanna learn how to do this. So I'ma take you right through this. Azonto dance is the movement. So when you jump on the floor, better use it. First step is a step, step. You can move to the right, to the left, left. You can even freestyle with your step, step. Put your hands in the air and you rap, rap. So go, go, go. Twist your fingers, you can wave and say hello, low, low. Make a fist and you can hit them with that blow, blow, blow. No balance, that's how you do Azonto. So go, let me see you go, go. Nobody wanna see you rising. And when they do, they don't even like it. They just wanna see you deep in crisis. Drive us off, you don't need the license. All the hush, you can even ride it. Go ahead, move your feet just like this. Then he showed me the latest. We walk over the haters. Now what you do, my Azonto, Azonto, Azonto. Now watch me do my Azonto, Azonto, Azonto. Now watch me do my Azonto, Azonto, Azonto. Now watch me do my Azonto, Azonto. We walk over the haters. Now what you do, my
Sorry, sa Azonto. Wait, yo, yo. And she make me go slow. Yeah, when you're not too low. Move to the rhythm, here we go. I'll show you how to do this slow. Some inside, make us stop. Open cross on the south side. Move to the left and right and watch me free. Azonto. All my ladies try to pose and free. Drop up, though. Drop it low and make the boys say, damn, I go some more. Freestyle it the way you want to say. What you know?
Azonto, Azonto, Azonto. Now watch me do my Azonto, Azonto, Azonto. Now watch me do my Azonto, Azonto, Azonto. Now watch me do my Azonto, Azonto. We walk over the haters. I want you to do my head, shoulders, knees and toes free.
Azonto, oh yeah, shashi wo, free. Azonto,
Migrants gang, man I like her, show me.
Azonto, I did,
So check this out, yo. Head, shoulders, knees and toes free.
Azonto, yeah, shashi wo, free.
Yeah. Migrants gang, man I like her, show me.
Azonto, I did, single go, Azonto.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자. 커피 한 잔에 여유 아는 품격 있는 여자. 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자. 그런 반전 있는 여자. 너나 선호해. 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해. 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해. 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해. 그런 선호해. 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 오빤 강남 스타일 하지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 너는 선어해 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선어해 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선어해 변형보다 사상이 월통월통한 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 날 때까지가 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 섹시 레이디 위는 너그 위에 나는 너 baby baby 나는 뭘 좀 아는 너 위는 너그 위에 나는 너 baby baby 나는 뭘 좀 아는 저 What I'm saying 오빤 강남스타일 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일
Oke, segera jangan kabukan lah dengan lawan Magyar.
ahora sí fue verdad que la vuelta me estoy soy bravo
DJ Joe, DJ Rafi, mercenario.
bravo bravo sacude sacude bravo 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 sacude sacude bravo 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 sacude sacude bravo 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 sacude sacude bravo 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 sacude sacude bravo 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 sacude sacude bravo 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 sacude sacude bravo 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 sacude sacude bravo arañaila arañaila arañaila
DJ Joe, DJ Rafi, mercenario.
Yung stage ay gumiyara natin ng MIC Band, Ultimate MIC Band, Bugiang Lobo, gumiyara natin Bugiang Lobo. Kaya natin rin, mga kamay ito yung gumiyara natin na Bugiang Lobo Dancing Group. Choy yung mga kamay ito kachuan kapubo.
I'm shuffling.
Cintura, rodilla, que soba y pasa lindo. Cintura, rodilla, que soba y pasa lindo. Está como pasa en la calle. Los sabores, el sol, tu rosado y el calor. No puede estar
Salamat kamu mga boss. Kamu bro.
Right hand in the air, left hand in the air, everybody in the air, let's go in the air. Right hand in the air, left hand in the air, everybody in the air, let's go in the air. Slide to the right, right, slide to the left, left, slide to the front, front, bring it back, back, slide to the right, right, slide to the left, left, slide to the front, front, bring it back, back. All right, about to turn it up right now. Follow my instructions. So let's go. When I say dance, you dance. And when I say stop, don't move at all. Let's go. Dance, 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 dance. Stop. Dance, 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 dance. Stop. I said we ain't good. Okay, that was good. But I want to see everybody get into a little freestyle. So on a count of three, let's get into it. Ready? I said 1, 2, 3, let's go. Freestyle, 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 freestyle. Let's go. Right hand in the air, left hand in the air, everybody in the air. Let's go in the air. Right hand in the air, left hand in the air, everybody in the air. Let's go in the air. Slide to the right, right, slide to the left, left, slide to the front, front, bring it back, back, slide to the right, right, slide to the left, left, slide to the front, front, bring it back, back. Okay, you guys got it last time, but we're gonna switch it up just a little bit. Same instructions, dance and stop, but we're gonna make it a little bit different. You guys ready? Follow me. Dance, dance, stop. Dance, 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 stop. Dance, stop, dance, stop, dance, dance, stop. Tick tock, tick tock. Dance, 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 dance. All right, here we go again. About to get into the freestyle section one more time. You guys ready? On a count of three. 1, 2. I said 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Freestyle, 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 freestyle. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Salamat kamu mga boss. Sulit lang kapag-igay ka natin nila. Kamu mo. Okay lang tayo, karuyak-iyangan na fashion show yung lahat Three Sisters Shop. Yung ilo to rin marang kachidil pa na ulit. Ay dito yung lolo siya ito. Umay marang katuhin chikunuwe na. Kata lolo niya kita boleh kaya buat chikunuwe na dyan. Lecture buat chikunuwe na dyan kap chikunuwe to. Arjun Alan, welcome ito. Mother Reynan ta Three Sisters Fashion Show. Apa bro? Ahora vaya bien, vamos que tengan. Vamos que tengan chikunuwe na. Out.
Ya voy a valer. Ikita na ulit, pe? Wait. Kung kumano di pelo dar, ilo shopping center yang ayah. Ya ko Rainin, kumain na ilo kaya Olive products na ayah. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself. You are about to witness the most amazing fashion show of 2013. So, welcome to Dar's Fashion Show. Kapobok! We have Kayla. All dresses available at Carrie and Kayla's Enterprises by Dar Sales and Services. We have Henrika wearing a very lovely hula dress. Miss Miko. Oh, not yet. Miss Carrie. And now we have Miss Miko wearing a jumpsuit. Yeah, work it, girl. And now we have Jum Jum wearing a nice handmade hula dress. And now we have a mother and daughter set. Aliyah and Waji. All dresses are made at Three Sisters Sewing Shop. Aliyah, wave.
I'm fly, fly, fly. Dumb as they can't touch me 'cause
Olive Nulong kayo nagkamanilo. Dar's Sisters Sewing
you
Shop.
don't need to ask why. You just gotta see with your eyes.
Kapuwangan Olive and Mother.
It's so amazing. This world is
And with the Chilulu. Lulu na yan eh. Kukumarong pa kayo. Carrie and Kayla Shop. Brian. Nagpunin mo na ako ngayon. Malimot na kayo, Dar. Pag-chewy ka ngayon. Pag-chewy ka ngayon.
It got me in the club, just
Kapuwangan si Lulu. Ganay kayo, mabari. Mabari. Ano na kayo? Dulog kayo nagkala Carrie and Kayla Shop. Oh, Triton. Triton. Ako mga Triton.
this is better.
Marungo. Kuya nga. Charlie and looking very, very long.
We just had to kill it. We on the radio, holler and skip it. We in the club, all the people holla. Money in the bank,
Oh, ano nga rin? Oh, nakakamani para ilo. Dar's Salon. Kumaro na lang kung man ang appointment. Kanayawan. Wala na nuno ka na yan. Tingali naman eh. Pagpagagan Carrie and Kayla Shop.
voila. I can't believe it. It's so amazing.
Hey, Charlie and Lassie Boy. Kapag
It's so amazing.
nuno ka na yan. Ro, nagkamani ilo. Dar Shop. Style by Mimi.
Check it out, 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 check it out. Yeah, I'm feeling it.
Dala June T-shirt. Nakakilay yan, Three Sisters Sewing Shop. And dulu kain ng chong kain, raya available ilong man kilay o antar. Dalam cuan kapu mo magagaya rawan Three Sisters Sewing Shop. Pero yan yung kuntong ilong wigo ay chaklok. Ano yan kung mani dulu kain na nagiririn. Huwag kayo, chichitongman. Punto kayo kung dali dulu kayo pa ilan nilo Dars Shopping Center. Oliver, style din way, kamanjan salon din medyo. On stage, yan naman Miss Quinna. Yung video mo.
But their body parts stay. Kelly, I run through your baby. And her hands was off the chain. I hit that thing so hard, she called for one more pain. Damn it, man. Let's go to Jamaica for some dog. Then take it to Telly for T-Pain. Come and move that ass like chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang. Oh yeah, shorty, what's happening? Girl, let's get this thing cranking. I got no dependent on nobody. I'll get behind and you can get behind. Shake your body. Shake your body.
Ako'y ano na yun? Quinna, nanulog po kami ng kapag nanulog ng Chalawat. Kapag ko ang nanulog ng kuwailangan ng Rizalay, may Miss Quinna, like Three Sisters. Julie Gamayan, nagbago ko na yung Dar Salon. Miss Nadia Manamayaway, made by Three Sisters. Julie Gamayan, Jen. At ko niya Laymayan, Salome. Miss Bobo, Gamayan, green Tahitian style, and the shoes are from Salome Shoe Line. And we have Anastasia with a nice tribal dress and with a really nice black belt to go with it. And her shoes from Salome Shoe. And I this Christine Reimers. And I always get pull up Tasilayan. And I always. And yung mga pala na rewan. Yan naman Miss Jenna naman Oliver. Kumulog po ako kapag pwede ka doon. Yan naman yun. Tuwi naman yan. Yan yung wala sa kanya. Lain mo yan sa loob. Yan naman yun yung Sister Mio. Uno ko na yan. Sinabang Dar Sales. Yung Oliver na accessories ka na yan. Sinabang Dar Sales and Services. Miss Marlene with a really nice beach dress. You can wear it at night or at day, however you want it. May picture ka na yan. Hair done by Salon de Maduro. Work it, girl. Miss Kitten with a really nice Asian dress, but it can also work with a night out of town. This shoes by Salon Miss Carla is wearing a very nice Indonesian dress, Indian style. Hair done by Salon de Maduro. There you go. And then, of course, you can get your wedding gown only exclusive at Dar Sisters. To Julio, the whole way I'm going to And the lastly, hostess with the mostest. Join ang nuno ko din. Siniyari. Ganun ko ni siya siya. Ano ngayon? Kuni yan ngayon yung pagpapalap na yan. Electron ka mo mga lola model ko. Ano ngayon yung Mr. Lyle? Kamarang nga po ang nuno ko siya naman. Yung iron niyo. Ako marunong po ang Rome. Senator and Minister Roy, ang may style ko nila. May safari style. Ano kaya ang galimit? Tawag na po ang nunugin siya. May ilang olive tayo na ni Marumon. Pagpag kalakaduto ka. Mr. Chadwick. Ano may away? Pero wala ka nunug ka may. Pero yun ay din. Kayla and Carrie Shaw. Bill. Ay panakituan ang Jilchin. Three sisters. Parinwood. Pero yun naman. Parang yung pangalong Darcy. Mr. Dexter. Amayoy. He's single when available. Until the man is and Darcy. Pahit Pedro. Diyan Daisy Ismael. Yang may Makan at Joyo Kumandoy. Kanagay-Jojo Darcy. Hair done by Salon Di Medro. Mr. Chukoy, kanagay-Joana Nunugun Brown. Marunong po kayo pang Darcy. Chuko, kapubungan Chuko. With Gabriel, kanagay-Joan Jill, and Jeff, kumarong pa kayarapan ng kayarapan. Olive and Jill, kayo na ulit kayo, with kumantin. Three sisters showing siya. Kapubo. Yan ang ngayon pa yun, Mr. Sojo, let's play. Kapag kapuan nung prank na niya, wala na kayo yung Sojo. Kapubo nga na. Safari jumpsuit. Nunuin, Arevolo, Naridalay. Danny Clinic, your managing outfit. Selajun Kapubungan, Danny Clinic. Kailan na yan, mga kaiwan? Managing outfit, your three sisters. Bill and Bobo are wearing Canadian style dresses made by three sisters. All dresses custom made by three sisters. Marlene and Bonnie dresses can be bought or purchased by Darcy. Bonnie's hair is done by Dar's Salon. Richard and Anastasia wearing travel dresses. Exclusive at Dar's sisters. Wala ka po kung ano. To call yung husband or your night out of town, wala palang manay, nangalayaway, pinupungan ayaway. Good lady is Gabriel, and the little po kung wala na talaga. Kailan po, kailan na pagka, ayaway, nunugun feeding, nunugun away. And Carla in Mio, may kanagay wanunugun pa. Evening wear. Dela kapurong and Mio in Carla. Nunug pero kumarong po ganyan Dar Sales Services. Yung Marero are bride and groom of tonight. You can get your wedding outfits for your wedding needs. Purchase the Dar Sales Services. Oh no. And then finally we have Miss Salome with their beautiful Indian outfit. Exclusively at Dar Sales and Services. Ella Jordan Kapuwang and all of it Magaray.
Don't play football without touchdown everywhere. Everywhere. Don't play baseball without hit a home run everywhere.
Parchuananan sa karong kakachidagit ng Risa, Erlinda, and Mercy, nakaralo audience yo. Ladies, can you please stand up? Elok chuan ako mga lumaring. Kato man yung alban ulog kayin and Three Sisters Sewing Shop. And chokok kayin Ragani Lotar. O kung kanta ni po gani. Malawat chuan ka po kung energy. E mga alban mga karuan chokin.
They looking for visas, I ain't talking credit cards if you know what I mean. Yeah, cool. Like most of the other women get down if you know what I mean. Yeah,
Sekarang kayo, welcome na ito, Lergin, na yung stage, na nagkamanityo lang yung puri. Joe yung welcome to Lergin, Joe Lergin kilibot, na nagkamanityo lang yan. Kapag Lergin tubalo, kachimo, tubalo.
yeah.
Meron kamu kaman ang naging tubali. Hoy yung special nampay ben chod ini perang lo chod ini na kuryo meron ba. Robot Boys, namitama ko ba tourist stage. Makain may ito yan ay ko ligin youth road kachuyo. Ako may karong nani robot kumain ito lo chod. Di ko rin robot. Pero yung welcome nandito rin rin Robot Boys, kamu. Juan kamu bukanlah, kamu.
Dalam cuan kapuhungan Lawan Mark and Meadow Dancing Group.
Sa bangwengan, raw ikaw medong samboy
Kalau kapawagala man kumiyo rin na yan na logon mo yanin mo to kabin mo to. Yang pada lajuan kampung logon mat kabin na to amin na lo. Yang anak naja raffle agrole tibat nambar ro, nambar ciru kap nambar ro. Anca pada ro na rara pakai tibat dapat banyak jangan yang raffle dia. Jadi ger nambar ro ciru kap nambar ro. Jangan kayak aku cuan bahan kia. Orang kejuan yang mana nanti net pick out the winner pick out the number 2 और माता का ये स्टेज Nahoy, ito aja. Channel ko ngan dilakukan program yang window cawat. Number 2 rugi lang mo. Number 2 lima rugi. Number 2 cuan tahu. Oh yang menyeru lagi ya, cerumui akar ayat dan pegawai nampai. Taruh kirim kue dan kirim terakhir, technical problem. Oh ini dalam baik ibu calon yang role yang army yogi.
Okay, second number. Roar rally the Rena Malan. Prize on the Rubil Motala. Roar rally the Rena Malan. Nampai on the Rena Malan. Juan Radan Joan Chino Malan. Nampai Talabon. Rena Malan. Juan Radan Joan Chino Malan. Second number. Roar rally the Rena Malan. In army na yung win Tami Kitchener. Kanyan Tami welo palunyo kay Chipong nga nailong ka. Namparo, ang kabar to cuman volunteer. Okay, dala cuman kapupungan taktak ka saray. Railak chuwala. Ola team. I surrender. Okay, ito pay mo. Siyempre lang ganyan. Jadi tapi, dukun. Ito ko quick po ganyan lang bata. Lal bata. Kalajon ka po mga takatag ka dyan. Okay, second number 1268. 1268. Telepon number ML Lalim. Chuan Ralidat MN Chijino. ML Lalim Chuan Ralidat MN Chijino. William May Namara James. Ibarat Namara James Yin. Namara James. Ibarat dia May. Dia aku. Okay, Namara James. Nampak Ron, kamu kita lah. Jadi, pilih nampak cuan, elegan Samoa, Tara, ini prize nampak cuan. Kalau cuan kapungan kumian waci. Kemudian balali nunu kaya negara, karban kiki lo, Three Sisters Sewing Shop. Kalau cuan kapungan dimarongan Three Sisters Sewing Shop. Elinda, Mercy, and Risa.
Oh, my left you with a party. Oh, man, my left you with a eye. Well, I love her. What I was so ill, I see. Oh, let you find my talao. Talule alofa ua ato ape.
Kapobo, Rajon Kapobo Kalas and the Samoan Dancing Group.
Darling Samuara, Rectibun, DJ Manam Relamo, M. Tamar and Umesh. Oliver Lira Kurevia. Kumilani Oliver Kurevan, Kumiantar, and Olive Choro, you know, change one family.
Ewa, Yang Kumiki, Repayan, and Kumane Kure, Reva, the Guinness. I told you we can attend the high. Actually, you welcome with and you say, Kapobo.
And other than my other Ellen, it is. And Champitas, it is. And I told Kapobo, Kumia, I have Punkian case, and you have told Katan Pura, you cancel in a winery.
Kapobo.
I told Kapobo, and like, let's start this.
Let's go. Beat it. Kalau John Kapobo Kalas dengan Curtis. Olive Style Game, Robert Perido, Town Fashion, Sisters Fashion Show. Abang apa kapag style? Let's go, Gabriela.
Fatto gentleman. Fatto gentleman. Father, gentleman.
Jangan kapogongan Curtis. Udah jual lo. Ego ikan yang yang excited. Oh, salah. Ego itu terakhir na sebanyak yang naggertok Timo John with my fire. Tam Wisma. Kapogo. Let's go Wisma. On take. wow. Who is wow? Kawai lo terin coba jak yang anwar kairat ada rolling number liktara 1,000 cash prize. Lagi ya, lagi winner ang cowok ini, kawai ni rolling 1,000 tara. Kemana kau yang aku cuman volunteer dengan rolling 3 liktara?
Easy. Ini kumul na volunteer. Ini macam volunteer kalau dalam bocor nak cingli kilo mau mewah. Mau ya. Nampak cuan tahu je. Kalau cuan kamu mau kan bisa. Okay, tiga number 1682 456 4023. Terapa apa? Tiga number 1682 phone number 456 4023. Padahal apa cuan? Drums. Ticket number 1682, telephone number 4564023. Telepon drum, Neil, let's hear it for your drums. Okay, winner naman Jocelyn Wadak. Marami dyan ang sila din Sweden. Jocelyn Wadak, Kuya Ewa Sweden. Amol nite, at alam po siya ng chingwidi pa lumaran do. Ano yan? Kita kita gipen po na naman kabaka chonal. Chonalin, alam mo rin pumatong ilopon kung mga prainin, yodan family yawan, majali yan rin. Ikaran kamu pagiging kamulot pumuya ulit, orat siya, ay siyempre men. Kailangan yan mawakon ka mo ulit kung paano yun yung mall. Parchonalan, lalachon ka po mga niyang palinben. Olivier Manchibagkay. Neil Skinner. Mega Madam. Major Ratsol Local Government. Nakuya Sol Local Government. Roland. And all of Roland. Kumatong yung family. Jadi balong ko, kaya sila ilo-iyo lang. Paano yun ang mall?